right? You cannot hide anymore. Okay, the entire message is like this, that there is nothing behind which you can hide anymore. So today's message itself is like there is nothing now behind which you can hide, like you're done with something. होता है ना वो एनर्जी, याद करो बहुत हो गया. So that is the energy now. All right, so it you are done with a certain habit, you are done with a certain kind of belief. I had a very strong message for Vaibhav today, but he's nowhere there today, he did not join. But anyways, I will tell, because I will share this message with him later. You know that, like, khao piyo moj karo, that attitude will not work anymore. All right, like, you will be very you will have to be very careful and aware what you're eating, what you're doing, what you're speaking. So it is like absolutely done with the old ways that were working earlier. Now we tried to play smarter than life, trying to think that we can accommodate this also, और सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Getting it? So that accommodation no more. तो अभी ये आप लोग की सबके लाइफ में, everybody's life, you might be feeling it. There is something that I'm done with. It could be a particular way of thinking also. It could be like I'm done with not getting up for my sessions. That also could be. Or you are done with a particular relationship. You are done with a particular habit which is like stopping you, or a particular food which is, you feel that it is no more good for my body. Your body is nudging you for that. All right, so there is something in our life we are done with, and now, as you release this dependency on whatever, behind whatever you were hiding, what happens? Your wings appear. So as long as you're holding on to these crutches, you will keep limbing, or what is that called, limping. Yes, yes, and you are going to you will not be able to run or fly. It will keep holding you back. So you will see now in the world level also, many people, they are going to absolutely shift their lifestyle, they are going to shift their food habits, they are going to shift the way they look at everything. So there are so many shifts going to come, because these are very powerful endings going on. And we are actually done. We are done with soul contracts, we are done with certain old habits, we are done with certain old connections, we are done with something which we have ignored. All right, so this is the time to embrace your new self. Maybe it is painful, maybe it is not looking pleasant, maybe you still find comfort in that old self, but as if universe is going to come and cut those hands with which you are trying to hold on to something that is not leaving you. So it is going to be that strong, it could be that strong. So very soon you will feel the shift, if you're not feeling it yet, but this is happening. You will yourself see that your body is not accepting certain things now. You are feeling that my mind is going somewhere, but I am still stuck here. Yeah, Hema, you're already feeling that? Great. So do not panic.
Yeah.
Here. Yes, do not panic.
Actually,
here.
ma'am, I would like to share one thing. 1 to 2 months before, you have done 1 week of manifestation for the new shift and change.
Yes.
At that time, I was not expecting ki my transfer will be done in this financial year, because I have tried so many things, but it has not been done
Okay.
because I am living apart from my family. But after that manifestation, after 15 to 20 days, I got a new opportunity. It was sudden and it was a miracle thing. And for
Wow.
another place where I and my husband can meet together. So
Oh,
it
wow.
was just matlab a magical surprise for me. It was
Wow.
not at
I'm
all
getting
expected.
goosebumps. I'm getting
Yeah.
goosebumps as you
And
speak
that for
this.
the new shift at that time I was not in the process ki ha I can shift there, I can be there.
Hmm.
But by the time it got me convinced, ha, it is a new opportunity, it will give me a new spark, it will give me a new change. So thanks to you, ma'am,
Great,
again.
great, great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You have opened your pathways. See, I tell you, this is the beauty. And today, remember one thing, that if you're really actively, celebrating with yourself every day, it is you're making that effort, because we live on this 3D planet, right? So third dimensional, we have to acknowledge the real work, that is action in the 3D, literally taking action for something. You will have to do that, you will have to acknowledge that no matter how much you think something, if you don't act on it, then you may feel that energy of stuckness always. So you will have to act on that. So we are actually moving towards adapting new ways of thinking, new ways of living, new ways of um, experiencing. Let me not feel shy to reveal myself. Let me not feel shy to speak and express myself. So our today's activity is absolutely on that. So we are going to speak to our throat chakra today. All right. I felt a very, very strong urge for this, that we should be doing this today, uh, because it is opening some new pathways for expressions, for communications, for uh, you know strength, speaking out with courage what you exactly want in your life.